Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add invisible filter on Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Snapchat app. Now click on Explore. Now press on Search bar. Right here, invisible filter. You can see here a list of invisible filter. You can choose one which you like. If you show your any body parts of you, it will be invisible. If you want to add this filter, then click on this heart icon. That's it. So this is how you can add invisible filter on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.